Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So really quickly, I wanted to do a video. My Fashion Maids box came in a lot quicker than I was expecting. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know that I reached out to the owners of the company and asked if they would be interested in sending me a box so I could do a review for you guys, and they actually agreed. So the president of the company, named George, he emailed me back and said that they would love to send me a box so I could do a review for you guys. So I'm really excited to open it. It just came in today. I have to say it came in extremely fast. I didn't think it would come in this quickly. And so here is what the box is. Just a regular USPS priority mail box. Fashion Maids, there's the logo for you guys. Let's see, this is just the priority large flat rate box. So really quickly about the company, they are a newer company. I don't know when they started. I do need to research that, but they are a newer company. I had a fellow YouTuber friend, she's a reseller as well, who mentioned the company, and so I thought I would reach out and look and see kind of what they had available on their website. They are catered to resellers, so I guess they go out and purchase this stuff, put them in boxes. You can pick between 10 and 25 items. Of course, there's a big price difference, and that's what you get in your box. But what I really like is you get to pick what sizes are in your box, and you get to pick what brands that you like. Now, obviously, I have not been in this box. I don't know what brands they actually sent me. I'm very curious to see if they sent what I said I liked. And then you can put brands that you don't like, which I really like. I don't want to be getting Old Navy or Target. Those are not going to resell well for me. So this box was a $75 value. All of their shipping is included. So if there's 10 items in here, then that makes each item $7.50. So that being said, you need to pick brands that you know are going to resell for a good enough value to make enough of a profit. So paying $7.50 per item is a lot more than what I would pay for at the thrift store. So just wanted to let you guys know they do offer single box only. You can purchase a single box for a certain price, or you can do a monthly subscription. Shipping is always included. So I really like that. So we're going to go ahead and hop on into this box. It is pretty heavy, so that's a good sign for sure. As I said, it's not been opened, so really excited to see what's in here. Alright, so sorry about that interruption, but here's what I'm seeing. They have it wrapped in craft paper with a little sticker. It does have some kind of initial, or it says Love FM, so Love Fashion Maids. Do have a little shipping thing here. It says that I do not owe any money, which is awesome. So I do get to keep everything in this. So before I get started, full disclosure, this is not sponsored by them. They are not paying me to do this review. They simply sent me this box. I get to keep the items in here just to do a review for you guys. So this is going to be a completely honest review. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about this box, if I think that it is worth the money that I paid for it, that I would pay for, because I'm actually really contemplating doing one of these as a subscription every month. So yeah, they did say some things would be new with tag, so I'm gonna set this here. First things first, feels nice. It kind of feels like silk. Okay, so the brand is In Cream, and I'm not really sure. That sounds familiar, but I do not know. It does have its tag still attached, so it's new with tag. Does not have a price. First things first, I want to say I did not put that I wanted a size small in my profile. I wanted, I think, medium to 1X, because small doesn't sell well as well for me. However, because this is a not a trial box, but they know I'm doing a review on it, they maybe didn't follow my sizes that I wanted, but you know, that kind of stinks. I was hoping for larger sizes, but this is really cute. In quite honesty, I'll show you up here. It kind of looks like a nightgown. Has this really pretty like lace down here. I'm not entirely sure where this came from. Okay, it's 100% rayon. In Cream. I have seen that before, and I don't know if it was from a fellow YouTuber or if I just happened to see it out and about. I don't know. So if you know any of these brands, please comment below. The back is really cute. It's like a razorback kind of deal in the back. Really pretty kind of paisley print on it. So first thing, I mean, I'm kind of disappointed that it wasn't a bigger size, but like I said, it could be because it's a different type of box. This isn't a box I paid for. Maybe they didn't send me the sizes I requested. So don't know that brand either. All right, next I see a lot of stuff that's new in a package. So this is a size large, so that is good. It's like little papers falling out everywhere. All right, by Mocha Apparel, 100% rayon. It is new with tag. Okay, so this stuff to me, I might be wrong, but it feels a lot like Amazon returns. So one time, I don't think I filmed it, but I did a purchase on Amazon. I'm sorry, on eBay. It was a reseller's box, but it was Amazon returns. And this kind of seems like the same type of brands. Like, I can just tell the quality of things, and this is not anything of quality. Yeah, this is cute, but I definitely wouldn't have picked this up for $7.20. So I'm going to show you, it's kind of a cropped neon green. It has a lace up in the front. It is new with tag. It just says M2. It is a large, which is what I like to sell. I'm just not sure. This feels a lot like getting one of those boxes from Amazon for returns. And that could be where they source. I don't know. This is coral, which I like. It's a size medium. Love Rich. This is not any of the brands that I said that I wanted. So, I mean, like I said, they may have certain boxes that they send for people like me that have asked to do a review on them. But so far, I'm not super impressed. Love Rich. Here's the tag. Here's this. Love Rich medium. I don't even know. Okay, it ties in the front. That's what's going on down there. It ties in the front. Here's the back. Has a cute button up in the back. I'm trying to see what the material is. Honestly, it feels cotton, yeah. 100% cotton. This feels a lot like an Amazon return type deal as well. So yeah, not super impressed. None of these are brands that I would have picked up. I mean, alright. Do and Be, size medium. Here's the tag. Once again, I'm not really sure. Okay. Here's this. This is purple. Cute razorback in the back. Peplum waist. Doesn't feel like anything nice or fancy. You know, Poshmark is very much brand oriented. You know, people that are shopping on Poshmark, they're looking for specific brands. Sure, they do like new with tag stuff, but they're looking for brands. And so these are not going to do well for me personally. Just in my past experience. So, not impressed. This is by the In Cream as well. Wow, this is very sheer. I mean, it's cute. There's the tag, In Cream. They do sell boutique items. It's quite possible that this is a boutique brand. Okay, so this is kind of a high-low hem. Fake wrap in the front. It's very, very thin and sheer. It's rayon. I mean, this would make a really cute top for the spring or the summer. Kind of feels like linen. So, that's cute. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Alright, I see something that says Topshop, which is good. I have heard of Topshop. I don't know anything about Topshop, but it is new with tag. It does have original. It was 50% off, originally $48. Topshop. I'm trying to figure out how this goes. So, like this? Oh, okay. So it goes like this. So this, what size is this? This must be a large. Okay. So there's the front. Here's the back. It kind of loops around. I mean, that's really cute. That would be really cute in the summer. kind of a swim cover maybe. That's cute. Probably wouldn't have picked that up. Sage the label. Okay, so this was originally $74, and this does look more like a department store type item. I think I've heard of Sage, so this is plus. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it's an extra large. It just kind of wraps around the front. I'm not really sure if this is a top or a swim. It kind of reminds me of a swim cover, but that is cute. Ties on the side. So that's, I mean, I would have probably picked this up for $7.50. That's cute. All right, we're getting a little better. All right, this is huge. This is a huge dress or something. Woo, it's free, people. Okay, I'm getting a little bit more excited, okay? Those first few I wasn't really sure about. So it is new and tag free, people, and it was originally $128. They did have it discounted. Let's see, it's called Sunshine Combo, size medium, and if you don't know what the free people like little tag looks like, then there's that. And this is super cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. I might, oh, I can't keep it. I can't keep it, Rachel. Let's see, I said it was a medium. It's a dress, so it has buttons down the front, kind of an asymmetric high-low hem here at the bottom, very flowy. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't see any flaws, so this is so cute. Okay, I love that. So that is definitely something that was on my list. I did put, I think, free people on there. Okay, what is this? So I see some frayed hemming. BB Dakota, size 4 from Nordstrom Rack, so that's good. Let's see. Woo! Okay, talk about the 70s. These are really cute. These will probably do well. They're on trend. Definitely looks like a high waist. They have these huge bell-bottom legs with a high-low hem. Frayed. This is really cute. I wish there was a price on here, but there's not. It's been kind of ripped off, but it definitely says Nordstrom Rack. So it is very thin material. You would have to wear a thong or something because you would see everything. Let me see if there's a material. Here we go. Material 100% tinsel. Tinsel? Tinsel. I don't know. But this is really cute. This is on trend, so yeah, I think that will do well. So that's nice, yeah. Let's see, we've got one item left. Nick and Zoe. Wow, retailed for $158. So there's that. I don't know this brand. Oh, it's a little like cardigan. This is nice. Okay, this feels like something. Linen maybe. Yeah, 52% linen. So it has some wool in it, said. So this is really nice cardigan. 3/4 sleeves, kind of a ruffle here at the bottom. Nick and Zoe. It looks like it was $158 and they dropped it to $94.80. So that's really super nice. I don't know if maybe it's from Nordstrom. That's cute. Okay, so I mean there was some decent stuff in here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there was 10 items. I'm going to have to do some research. So what I'm going to do, because I don't know some of these brands and I feel like it would be better for me to know what these brands are before I can give you a full review on this item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some research and then record that and put it all together, because like I said, some of these brands I've never heard of. So I'm going to do some research, add that in, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so after some research, a lot of those tops that I didn't know the brand came from boutiques. So they do have an option when you are purchasing from Fashion Maids. You can pick if you want name brands or name brands and boutiques. And I chose only name brands for my profile. So what I can gather is they sent me a box that's just random. Like it wasn't based on my profile at all. So that's a little disappointing because I kind of wanted to see what I would get if I were to subscribe, because I don't really care about boutique items. I don't really care to pick them up. I like to pick name brands. So overall, I think it was a pretty good box. I'm going to have to kind of update you guys on what I think as far as reselling this stuff, because, you know, certain brands are going to do better. The Free People will go quickly. Those blue pants, the Top Shop will probably go quickly. These pants here from Nordstrom will go quickly. BB Dakota, you know, those will sell well. I don't know how much they'll sell for, but we'll see. And then, you know, maybe I'll do a follow-up video and let you guys know what I think based on the comps. Do I think that it was worth the $7.50? I do. I do think that some of those brands will probably make up for the box. The Free People dress will probably sell for I would say $65 to $75. It retails for $128 and it's on trend. And that would pay for the whole box. So I do think it was worth the $7.50. Be looking for an update on this. I hope to do either an update video or maybe put in the comments of this video things that have sold and for what price. And so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments below if you think the box was worth it or not. I'm still kind of indifferent. So let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.